Supplying labor and materials to projects is a challenge on dry land, but offshore activities pose additional challenges that often result in suboptimum use of the vessel fleet. The InnovaNet Group has addressed this challenge with fleet optimization techniques that result in significant savings to the client. If you're in an offshore business, you know that any sustained activity offshore requires support vessels to provide you with the necessary resources to get the job done. Everything at the job site has to be transported there. As a result, you're dependent on a fleet of vessels. They are not the primary focus of your job, but you're dependent on them and they constitute a significant cost to your organization. Today, all vessels are tracked wirelessly, and for most corporations, vessel information is uploaded using this wireless technology to track the location of the vessels and to enable payment for their services. This results in a significant amount of data residing on your computer system. The amount and the makeup of that data varies from company to company. But this data can quite literally be a treasure trove because it can form the foundation of an extensive fleet optimization initiative. Depending on how you have the data structured that you're receiving, it may be possible to bucket the activities of the individual vessels into productive and non-productive time. By looking at this data, you and your management team may evaluate how well you're utilizing these vessels, and you may make changes in the way that you're using the fleet. The types and size of vessels has a tremendous impact on the cost. Ensuring that your fleet has the proper makeup of correctly sized vessels to accomplish your tasks is critical. Changing your contracting strategies to react to the changing market conditions can also save you a lot of money. Fleet optimization means constant vigilance to ensure proper mix and reacting rapidly to any changes that you see in the data. As we stated earlier, the fleet history provides the foundation for fleet optimization. When you look at past performance, fleet utilization, fleet mix, and cost, it becomes possible to build a fleet profile projection. This projection can quantify what the future fleet will look like based on your projected activities and global market conditions. This profile will form the basis for your contracting strategies. With a projection of fleet expenditures, it will be possible to compare what you projected with what actually happened. This process will help your organization hone its fleet management skills and more accurately project requirements for the future. There are many kinds of fleets, but the approach of reviewing historical data, building a fleet projection, and monitoring actual versus projected performance is valid whether your fleet contains ships, trucks, planes, or any other mode of travel. Now let's look at your organization. Are you properly managing your fleet? Do you have the correct number of the correct sized vessels to meet your needs? Are they where they need to be when you need them there? Are you properly using the data that you already capture? Or do you need to change the way that you capture your vessel data? Are your vessels properly utilized, or are you paying for them to sit around waiting? In the past, the InnovaNet Group has helped identify $20 million of annual savings in a fleet optimization effort. If you would like help beginning your fleet optimization effort, please contact us for more information. Thank you for your time.